Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to add music to Instagram posts that has multiple photos. To do that, let's get over to our Instagram application, and as you can see, I have already chosen some pictures for my Instagram post. So here, if I want to add music, once I tap on next, I will get over to this layout and tap on browse. And here you will find a list of music. You can search your music by your genre, any artist, or any lyrics you want. So once you found your music, just select it. You can use any track you want, and once you are okay with it, tap on the tick mark and tap on next. And as you can see, the music is already added in here. If you want to delete it, you can just delete it by tapping the cross icon right beside it. Tap on share. And as you can see, my post is just be finishing its up and the music is added to the post. So yeah, this is how you can just add music to Instagram post that has multiple photos. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next one.